You might see two different price tags and two different brand names, but these two air conditioners are a lot closer than the marketing departments want you to believe. If you do not know what to look for on the data plate, you could end up paying a premium for a badge without realizing you are looking at the exact same internal components. I am going to show you why one of these units has a hidden safety net that makes it the smarter buy for your home. I am the HVAC Repair Guy. I have spent over 17 years in this industry, starting out as a Navy nuclear electrical operator before becoming a service technician installer and eventually an HVAC contractor. I have seen what happens when a unit fails in the middle of a triple-digit heat wave, and I know exactly which brands are built to last and which ones are just built to sell. Today we are looking at the ACiQ R5A5S and the Comfortmaker N5A5S. On the surface, both of these are single-stage, entry-level units designed to get the job done without the bells and whistles of a variable speed system. Both models are rated at 14.3 SEER2, which is the current baseline efficiency for most of the country. When you pull the panels off, you are going to find that both of these are manufactured by International Comfort Products, or ICP, which is a major subsidiary of Carrier. This means they share the same DNA, the same scroll compressors, and the same basic cabinet design. However, the differences start showing up in the fine print and the assembly. According to the data, the ACiQ R5A5S is manufactured in Mexico and operates at a noise level of 73 dB. The Comfortmaker N5A5S is assembled in the USA and actually runs slightly louder at 75 dB. In the field, a 2 dB difference is barely noticeable to the human ear, but the build origin matters to a lot of homeowners and contractors who prefer domestic manufacturing for consistency. The real gap, and the reason you would choose one over the other, is the warranty. Both units offer a solid 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, but the Comfortmaker N5A5S includes a 1-year no-hassle unit replacement. If that compressor or coil fails within the first year, Comfortmaker does not just send a replacement part, they replace the entire outdoor condenser. The ACiQ model does not offer that same unit replacement protection. When it comes to pricing, you are going to find the ACiQ R5A5S listed online from $2,100 to $2,400 for the condenser alone. Comfortmaker is a dealer-distributed brand, meaning you will usually see it as part of a pro-installed package ranging from $4,500 to $6,500. If you are looking for my professional verdict, I am putting my money on the Comfortmaker N5A5S. Even though the internals are nearly identical that 1 year, no hassle replacement warranty is the tiebreaker. As a guy who has been in the trenches for nearly 2 decades, I have seen infant mortality in compressors happen to every brand, and having the manufacturer swap the whole unit instead of making me do a field repair on a brand new machine is worth every extra penny. If you want the peace of mind that comes with a professional dealer network and a better safety net, the Comfortmaker is the winner. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.